311. Have a good evening. Every day, we receive over 50,000 calls about all kinds of city services. You name it, we've covered it. But now, getting the information you need just got easier through 311 online.
So, can you tell me what happened the day the house shook?
I was watching television. All of a sudden, there was this loud bang. I didn't feel the shake, but I felt the bang. I was already looking outside because there was a whole bunch of activity and trucks and carrying on, so I was already looking outside. So when I heard the crash, I figured they had something to do with it.
Mm-hmm.
So when I came outside, the guy was all pointing at the wire and carrying on and so on and so forth, and I asked him what happened, and he said it was because his chair on top of his truck grabbed the cord.
Okay. And then after that, did he say that he could fix it, or what was the solution?
He said that he could fix it, but that was pretty much it. And to contact my utilities. He didn't say who to contact. He said just contact my utilities. Then he said he was going to fix it.
Okay, then what did you do after that?
I called 311.
Oh, okay. And 311, they came pretty quick, right?
Yeah, they contacted the fire department.
All right. And the fire department did what exactly?
They came out to double check the wire.
And what
to
did
see
they
if
say?
it was electric or if it was a utility. They said it was a utility. That's when the guy was adamant, like, oh, I can fix it.
Oh. And then what did he do to fix it?
I have no idea. I didn't watch him. He raised it. It was low when they crashed into it, and then when he was done, it was raised.
Oh, yeah, so he put some caution tape up. You think that's what they did?
Well, it's not hanging low. I don't know. He did put the caution tape up. He said he put the caution tape up because it was low.
Okay.
And then he raised it back up. I don't know exactly how because I didn't watch.
All right. Well, thank you.